Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world before they open, so you can hopefully capitalize, maybe profit, and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Monday, August the 27th, week before Labor Day. We're expecting news to be a little light, but we are still at the end of quarterly earnings season. And actually, we've got some great news coming out of both the energy and resources sectors on the small cap market. So let's get straight to it. First press release out, Energold Drilling, which trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol EDG, and in Frankfurt under the stock symbol X9X, put out its second quarter numbers, and it's their best ever revenues and drilling numbers. For the quarter, revenues were $8.64 million, up 25%. Earnings, $1.83 million, up from about $1.5 million. And earnings per share, 7 cents. For the year to date, for the first 6 months, revenue $16.1 million, up 46%. And earnings per share for the whole 6 months, 11 cents per share. The company's trading at $3.10 per share. Great numbers out of Energold. Off to the OTC, Golden Phoenix Minerals under the stock symbol GPXM announced its first profit since 1997. Net income of just over $1 million, $1.05 million. That translates to 1 cent per share in earnings. Now, 50% of that came from extinguishment of debt while it's restructuring its debt. So you can say that's a one-time special event. But on the other hand, we like to see small cap companies that are extinguishing debt because obviously it means a stronger balance sheet. So a good number all the way around. The company's trading at 26 cents. They had sales of $4.4 million on molybdenum concentrate, and the company, this is another company that's been nearly cut in half during this summer, so you might want to take a look at that for value. Next up, Thermal Energy International trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol TMG, announced a deal this morning for $3.75 million. One of its subsidiaries has signed a green energy supply contract with Fraser Papers. Fraser trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under the stock symbol FPS, and what they're going to do is provide one of their pulp mills with a recovered waste heat system. The contract is expected to take place over 6 years. The company right now is trading at 44 cents, and the contract is to begin immediately. Next up, NUVO Network Management under the stock symbol NVO on the TSX Venture. We like this. The company has announced an increase by 37% of a major contract that was awarded last year with a Fortune 100 company. For security reasons, they can't divulge the name, but we like it when you see a repeat customer, especially a Fortune 100 customer, come back and you increase your original order by 37%. Details here, they've deployed an additional 750 servers to 2,000 servers that are already deployed last year, and the company, from what it looks like, NUVO is taking care of everything from head to toe as far as deploying the servers, managing, servicing them, and so on and so forth. The company's trading right now at 34.5 cents. Nice news out of NUVO. And finally, Impact Silver trades on the TSX Venture on the stock symbol IPT. Put out their second quarter and their first half numbers. I'm going to go straight to the first half numbers because I like those consolidated bigger numbers. Gives you a bigger picture throughout the year. Year-to-date revenues, $3.5 million compared to $3.1 last year. Nice jump. And profit of $219,000 compared to $75,000 last year, trading at $1.31. Now that's it for the news for the day. Hopefully you found some great news that you can profit from. If not, or if you have and you want to find even more great companies, go to AGORACOM, our marketplace, over 60 companies and growing, listed by industry and exchange, so you can find companies that are best suited for your portfolio. And always remember, take a look at my blog every day, agoracom.com/blog, where I always discuss interesting ideas and give you behind the scenes look at my notes that go into every show every day. That's it. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.